This week, we turn to trees for inspiration. Inspire is derived from the word spirare, to breathe. So I guess you could say that in a literal sense, trees inspire or breathe in if you consider the taking in of carbon dioxide to be a form of breathing in by plants. When we say that trees inspire, we might immediately think of inspiration in an artistic or creative sense. Inspire means to encourage or motivate one to do something. The something is not of a mundane nature. School kids here used to routinely germinate rambutan, durian, even green beans in order to observe them grow. I think it's unfortunate that this is no longer widely practiced, because to plant a seed and watch it grow into a sapling, then into a tree, is one of the most satisfying things one can do. Even though I study plants, none of the magic of watching a little seed undergo transformation to become a tree is lost in me. There are millions of years of nature's experiments cradled inside a seed, and I find that somehow very moving. As we mentioned at the start of our first episode, the world's environmental ills seem at times overwhelming. We might feel like giving up before we even start searching for a solution. What we need is motivation and a bit of hope, and it might be found through planting a seed. There's an enormous amount of power in a seed, and in the tree that grows from it. It doesn't take much to plant a tree or even an entire grove of them. Imagine what would happen if all of us were to support the planting of trees. The rehabilitation of degraded land all over the world would be within our grasp. And from there, it wouldn't require a quantum leap to imagine that every one of us has it within ourselves to help sort out the Earth's environmental problems.